peeps, welcome back to The Kids Zone with Trishy. That's me. Today we're going to be talking again about the rain. Elmo still has his little raincoat on, and he has his little brother with him, little Elmo, on his lap. We are going to be making something called a rain stick. We're going to use a little tube that we have. We could also use a little paper towel tube. You could use a paper towel tube or another tube. This tube had something in it. This is a paper towel tube. You have mom or dad or an adult take some little nails and they're going to nail it through the tube for you. Then you're going to take some rice and put it in the tube. All right, let's do the little nails first. Mom and Dad have to do this part, okay? So we're gonna put little nails all through our tube. So now that Mom and Dad did the little nails for you, Mom and Dad will help you. And you're gonna take some rice. I have some rice in here, friends. And you're gonna scoop some rice while Mom and Dad hold the tube, or Mom and Dad could watch you hold the tube. So don't put your fingers in the tube, please, because you'll get boo-boos with the nails. Take your little scooper or your little hands and you could put the rice inside. You don't have to put a lot of rice, or you could use a scooper to put the rice inside. I'm going to use a scooper. Let's put the rice inside. See that? There's some. Can you see the rice in there? Let me see it. Can you hear the rice go down with the nails? Can you hear it? It almost sounds like rain. You could put a little rice. Just make sure you do not fill the tube more than about to here. You don't want it halfway full or all the way full. Just about to here. That way, when you turn it upside down, the rice will hit the nails and it'll make a rain sound. It'll sound like the rain. Let me see. I need a little bit more. Let me hear. Do you think that's enough? Can you hear? All right, now I'm gonna put my cover on the other side, or Mom and Dad can help you put it on, the cover. Oh, make sure it's on there tight so it doesn't come off. It does sound like rain. Now that you have your nails and your rice in there and it's covered really tight so it doesn't come loose, you could decorate it. You could paint it, or you could put stickers all over it. You could use crayons to color it, and your rain stick is done. Yay, friends! I finished decorating my rain stick. Did you decorate yours? Did you paint yours? I painted mine. And I put little silver raindrop stickers on it. So you put stickers on it and paint it or color it. What color is my rain stick? Blue. Very good. Blue. Friends, do you want to sing some songs about the rain? You do? Okay, let's sing some songs with Trishy. And Elmo is here, and he has his raincoat on. Also, ready to sing some songs about the rain. So if you want me to put on the yellow one, say yes really loud. Okay, thank you. If you want me to put on the purple one, say yes to the purple one really loud. Okay, thank you. I think I heard you guys say yes louder for the yellow one. So I'm gonna put on the yellow raincoat. I'm gonna open it up, unfold it. It has a hood also like Elmo's. Help me put it on. First, I'm gonna put this arm through. Now I'm gonna put the other arm through. My second arm. Oop. right. Should I button it? It has little snaps on it, so I have to snap them. All right, are you ready? Let's count the snaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many snaps did I snap? That's right, 5 snaps on my raincoat. Should I put on my hood? Yes? Okay, I'll put on my hood. Oh, put on my hood, just like Elmo, so I don't get my hair wet, my head wet. All right? That's how it looks. And then the hood has 2 little strings, so you can make it really tight, like that. So all you see is your cute little face. When it's raining, right? You could do that. But we're just gonna pretend. So I'm gonna take off the hood because we're inside the house, just pretending it's raining. So the first song we're gonna sing, and we're gonna use our rain stick, is "It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring." That's how it goes. Are you ready? It's a quick and easy song. Ready? We could do this. You could use your rain stick, or you could use your little hands if you had a rain stick to pretend that the rain is coming down like this. I'm gonna do both on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning. That was a silly song, wasn't it? Now we're gonna sing another rain song called "Rain, Rain, Go Away." And then there's a part where you sing "Rain, Rain, Go Away," and you could put somebody's name in it. You could say Daddy or Mommy or your name. I'm gonna use Elmo first. Use your rain stick again or your little hands. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Elmo wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. I'm gonna use my name, or you could use your name in the song if you want to. Ready? All right. Rain, rain, go away, like that. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Trishy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. One more time. Rain, rain, go away. Little Trishy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Oh, that was so much fun. Thanks so much, my friends, for coming here and singing the rain songs with us, with Elmo, and with me, Trishy. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah! This is a project that requires supervision by an adult at all times because it has little nails in it, and you do not want your little ones to put their fingers in there because they're very sharp. And what's the best thing to use is a tube that has a tight cover to it. This is what I have. So the tube that I am recycling from some glow sticks I had. But the best ones to use are the ones that have the best ones to use are the ones that have these covers that are tightly on. So make sure you supervise your child when doing this.